Shivanga Albert Ndlovu is my name, Chief Executive Officer for Mwenezi Rural District Council. We are here at the Parliamentary Portfolio Committee on Public Accounts, where they were trying to find an understanding on the issues raised by the Auditor General. In our case, there was an issue of water in Rutenga, where we have said that we are working in collaboration with the ZINWA in order to improve the quality of water at the growth point. And also there was an issue of sewer reticulation, which was thorny. The size of sewer ponds in Rutenga are now so small so that they do not meet the demands of the size of the population. Definitely we have assured the Parliamentary Portfolio Committee that the sewer reticulation system, including the ponds, now requires an urgent upgrade. And as council, we are committed to improving that situation. The Portfolio Committee also raised the issues on why council was not including the benefits like school fees, like car benefits and the like on the mainstream of the payroll. And we have advised and assured them that since 2022-2023, we were now including these benefits for purposes of tax calculations. However, we as council, we have learned a lot, even though to me it was a rude awakening, but I have learned a lot, especially about how serious we have to treat the Parliamentary Portfolio Committee on Public Accounts when they come, when observations are made by the Auditor General. We will respond and do justice to the observations before the Portfolio Committee summons us before them. Thank you.